for apple, A for apple. B for banana, B for banana. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for egg, E for egg. F for fish, F for fish. G for gate, G for gate. H for hat, H for hat. I for igloo, I for igloo. J for jelly, J for jelly. K for kite, K for kite. L for lemon, L for lemon. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for net, N for net. O for orange, O for orange. P for pear, P for pear. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for strawberry, S for strawberry. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van. W for whale, W for whale. X for x-ray, X for x. Y for yo-yo, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zebra.
A is for alligator snapping with a smile. B is for bear, who can dance in style. C is for cat, purring in the sun. D is for dog, who loves to run. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, hopping all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and sweet. H is for horse with fast, strong feet. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jaguar, ready to go. K is for kangaroo, jump so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for newt, crawling with ease. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, walling just right. Q is for quail, quick on the ground. R is for rabbit, hopping all around. S is for snake, slithering slow. T is for tiger with a wild road to show. U is for urchin, down in the sea. V is for vulture, gliding free. W is for whale, singing deep songs. X is for x-ray, fish where it belongs. Y is for yak with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes to wear. Let's sing again from A to Z, with animals wild and fun and free. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. Sing along, let's learn like that. D is for diamond, diamond. E is for eagle, eagle. F is for fairy, fairy. Come on now, don't you stop. A, B, C, D, sing with me. E, F, G, happy as can be. H, I, J, K, learning all the way. L, M, N. Now what comes next? G is for giraffe, giraffe. H is for house, house. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for moon, moon. N is for net, net. A, B, C, D, sing with me. E, F, G, happy as can be. H, I, J, K, learning all the way. L, M, N. Now what comes next? O is for owl, owl. P is for panda, panda. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rainbow, rainbow. S is for star, star. T is for tree, tree. U is for unicorn, unicorn. V is for van, van. A, B, C, D, sing with me. E, F, G, happy as can be. H, I, J, K, learning all the way. L, M, N. Now what comes next? W is for wolf, wolf. X is for x-ray, x-ray. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zoo, zoo. A, B, C, D, now we know. E, F, G, letters show. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we've learned our ABCs. Sing again and jump with me.
A is for apple, apple, apple. B is for balloon, balloon. B, balloon. C is for cat, cat. C, cat. D is for drum, drum. D, drum. E is for elephant, elephant. E, elephant. F is for flower, flower. G is for guitar, guitar. H is for hat, hat. H, hat. I is for ice, ice, ice. J is for juice, juice. J, juice. K is for kite, kite. L is for lamp, lamp. M is for mountain, mountain. M, mountain. N is for nest, nestor. O is for orange, orange. O, orange. P is for puppy, puppy. P, puppy. Q is for quilt, quilt. R is for rocket, rocket. S is for star, star. T is for tiger, tiger. T, tiger. U is for unicorn, unicorn. V is for volcano, volcano. V, volcano. W is for wind. X is for x-ray, x-ray. X-ray. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Y, yo-yo. Z is for Sue, C, Sue. A, B, C. It's fun to see. Learning letters, happy as can be. From A to Z, we're on a roll. Sing your ABCs with heart and soul.
Is for apple, so shiny and red. B is for bed, where you lay your head. C is for cat, with a soft purring sound. D is for dog, always running around. Let's sing the alphabet from A to Z. Learning letters, you and me. From A to Z, we'll sing along. Join in the fun, it's the alphabet song. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for guitar, strumming a tune. H is for hat, under the moon. Let's sing the alphabet from A to Z. Learning letters, you and me. From A to Z, we'll sing along. Join in the fun, it's the alphabet song. I is for igloo, made out of snow. J is for jar, where cookies go. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for lion, king of the jungle. Let's sing the alphabet from A to Z. Learning letters, you and me. From A to Z, we'll sing along. Join in the fun, it's the alphabet song. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest, with baby birds. O is for octopus, under the sea. P is for parrot, talking with glee. Let's sing the alphabet from A to Z. Learning letters, you and me. From A to Z, we'll sing along. Join in the fun, it's the alphabet song. Q is for queen, with a royal crown. R is for rainbow, colors all around. S is for star, twinkling bright. T is for train, chugging through the night. Let's sing the alphabet from A to Z. Learning letters, you and me. From A to Z, we'll sing along, join in the fun. It's the alphabet song. U is for umbrella for rainy days. V is for violin, that music plays. W is for whale, big in the sea. X is for xylophone, played happily. Let's sing the alphabet from A to Z, learning letters, you and me. From A to Z, we'll sing along, join in the fun. It's the alphabet song. Y is for yo-yo, going up and down. Z is for zebra, with stripes all around. Now we've sung our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? We've sung the alphabet from A to Z, learning letters, you and me. From A to Z, we've sung along. Thanks for joining the alphabet